Hello, hi, and you are welcome, friends. In today's video, I am going to show you something interesting and something about myself as well in this video. So, as you know, I am a village boy and I live in village, and it's very difficult for me to speak in English, to learn English by staying in my village. Even though I have tried many times to be fluent in English, to get fluency in English, but due to lack of practice, lack of that kind of environment, I am very slow of learning English. So in this video I'm just trying to explain you something in English language. If I made any mistakes while talking to you in English, then please comment me below so that I can learn something through your comment. So without any delay, let's have. Just see, I have no confidence in my eyes. Whenever I try to speak something in front of the camera, I have no confidence in my eyes. I have a less confidence. So I tried many times to be confident while speaking something in front of the camera or in front of anybody. I don't get confidence in my eyes. I tried so many times before, but I couldn't. So let me show you something. Here are some plants you can see. They are looking very beautiful. I don't know exactly what is the name of these plants, but I can say these are very beautiful. Whenever I get free time, I come to this place and I enjoy with the nature. You can see how beautiful is this place. Everybody come to this place whenever they get free time, and I also come to this place to practice English by watching YouTube video, and I spend at least 2 hours out here in this place to practice English, because it is said that the more you practice, the more fluent you will become, the more perfect you will become. So that's why I am practicing out here in this jungle. Every day I come to this place and practice by my own, with watching some YouTube video in English or watching English movie. Whatever content I watch, it's regarding to English language. That's how I practice English. Because in our village nobody is talking to each other in English language. Everybody is talking to each other in our regional language. So we don't get that opportunity to talk with anybody in English in our village, and nobody is here who can teach me if I made any mistake. That's why I am a weaker. When I was studying in my village school, I was studying English language as well there. But after learning more than 10 years in my village school, I could not speak very fluently even a single sentence. That's not because I was weaker minded. That's because I didn't get that quality of atmosphere out there so that I could speak very fluently in English. Even though I have a lot of friends in my village, but none of them can speak very fluently in English. And I think after practicing more, I can speak very fluently. I can have conversation with foreign people, with educated people, those who are highly educated and they are speaking very fluently in English. My ambition is actually to have a job in a multinational company. And you people might have known that in a multinational company, if you want to have a job, if you want to have conversation with the people, with your workmates, you have to speak, you have to talk in English, because in a multinational company, people are working, they are not from a single part of the world, they are coming from several parts of the world and came to that place and work there. So if you have conversation with them, then you need to speak in English, because in the world every part has a particular language. Just like me, in our state we have a particular language. If you go to the other state, then you will get to know there is also a particular language. So it's very difficult to learn every language, and it's very easy to learn English. Rather, we should learn English. As you people might have known that English is a global language, and everyone is learning English language to have a conversation with global people. That's why I'm learning English, and I want to have conversation with global people. Learning English in the beginning is very difficult, looking very difficult. But after practicing some days, you will realize the easiest way of learning English. Just like me, let me share with you some tricks. When I try to speak something in English, I don't get any content in my mind. Whenever I try to speak something in English, I don't get word in my mind. Even I know that word, but when it's time to speak, I don't get that word in my mind. It was really very hard for me. But instead of remembering all those words, I try to speak, make mistake. Just like me, here is a plant, here is a tree, and I'm just trying to show you the tree. This is a tree. This tree is in our garden, and also that is a tree. That tree color is green. Like this, I every day practice English. Every day make small sentences in English, and I'm trying to improve my fluency in English. If you are a beginner, if you want to improve your fluency in English, also you need to practice like this way. So look, here are some yellow color flowers. I don't know what is the exact name of those flowers, but I can say they are looking very beautiful. Like this, I practice English every day by coming to this place and seated by my own alone there, and watch first 30 minutes. I watch English content video, then another 30 minutes I started to speak for 30 minutes in English. Like this, every day I practice to improve my fluency in English. After learning English very fluently, and I am deciding to teach my village kids, so that also they can speak very fluently in English. Because nowadays English has become very important in our life, and you might have known that the importance of English, as English is a global language. If anybody wants to go abroad, then he need to speak in English, because in abroad nobody is talking to you. Nobody will talk to you in your regional language, or you can't talk with anybody in your regional language. You need to speak English in order to have conversation with abroad people. That's why English is very important. Those who are trying to go abroad with the purpose of traveling, or with the purpose of having job there out there in abroad, no matter, you need to speak in English. You need to talk with abroad people, foreign people in English language. So friends, if I made any mistake while I was talking in English, please comment me below with the correct sentence, so that also I will get to know. Also I can correct myself by watching your comment. So please, if I made any mistake while talking in English, please comment me below with your correct sentence. Thank you so much. I will be back with another interesting content. So till then, stay connected with me. Take care.